back here a little Blake. Come on out here, Beardy. What you got for us?
There's a pretty good hitter in this box.
We're about to hit this tote right now.
Or they snuck a peek.
Uh-oh.
But the first Bomberman's gained traction. But in the box.
Super Bomberman. Ooh, nice.
But then it's like every other Nintendo games in here.
Wow, look at it. Oh.
Road Rash. Come on.
Was it on
original.
PlayStation?
PlayStation.
Original.
With Soundgarden on the soundtrack.
Super Mario Duck Hunt. Double
Ooh,
Dribble.
Sonic CD. Best. Some people say it's the best song.
Look at $1.
Oh,
Double Dragon.
about as much fun as you'll have with that game as $1.
Don't worry.
But buy you Billy.
Oh yeah, buy you Billy. Red Racer. Oh yeah.
Mad City, Japan, I think it is.
Off. Fast break. That was a good one. Oh,
Bases
I love bases
loaded.
loaded. Oh no. Bases is gone.
It's alright.
Still
Not
working.
It wasn't bases loaded full.
Return of the Jedi, Super Nintendo, Pac-Man 2 in the box. We got Xbox 360s. Man, we're hitting all the systems.
PlayStation 2 over here.
Wii.
PS3. Alright, what's that next game? Oh, Monopoly.
Monopoly.
Wasn't even worth the time.
It ain't worth the time unless you want to play some Monopoly. Then it's definitely worth it. So this is the other
Alright.
pepper guy. Gosh. Did we pull off of his?
67.
PS3, 2, and Wii. Shinjuku, that might actually be. No, I was thinking RPG. Sunshine. All Xbox One games. Well, original Xbox, I guess. I can't say one anymore. No Live 11s in there. I was gonna check. Crazy game.
Lots of games.
Looks like 64 from here.
64.
There's a color console for you.
Yeah. Purple one.
Probably like plum or grape or something. I forget what Nintendo calls it. The DSi, I think. Yep, DSi. Super Nintendo, it looks
Super
like.
Nintendo
Or is it?
in the bag.
Oh, yep.
Got the bag on there, so yeah, mode in there. 2 remotes. PlayStation original.
Original. Let's see the back on it. Oh, it's a later revision.
So, we got another DS down here.
No game. Always gotta check. Hey Josh.
Yes.
I got something for you.
Yeah. Oh, thanks, Tim. Look at this.
Oh, PC games.
PC games here, the whole bag full, brand new sealed. PC Games Jericho Syndicate.
I did see some pretty alright PC games in the one box.
Frontline Wars, so we got that. And underneath, we go completely retro.
2600.
Look, we got
And a Game Gear game.
Couple games.
Oh, the Sonics.
We got all these. Oh, here's another one.
Columns.
There's probably more in there. Look at all these games. Atari games. Underneath, what we got? Xbox.
We got Xbox and GameCube. Good GameCube lineup.
Look at that, Mario Party 4, Spider-Man,
You got the two Zelda. You got three Zeldas. That one was like a pre-order bonus. Smash, Metroid, both Mario Kart or the Mario Party. Final Fantasy. Wolfenstein for PS2. Fallout 2 for the Mac.
That's pretty sweet.
that was the random game that I saw earlier. I'm like, Fallout for the Mac. I love original Fallout. Ooh, Jawbreaker. That's a pretty fun game. Keystone Capers and Pitfall, of course. Kaboom. That's probably like the best paddle game. Some pretty good Atari games. Is this the art cover? Nope. That game like went up a bunch when, what is it, Ready Player One came out.
Oh, really?
It's dropped back down, but it was like the art cover one.
Ooh. How are you gonna play?
Let's see, is it a heavy sixer or a light sixer?
Heavy.
It is a heavy sixer.
Pretty heavy.
It is a heavy sixer, the 77th, but it says, where's the, yep, the CX26.
Look at all that down
But you
there.
can tell because the light sixers are curved on the sides.
There's another one down there.
The Slim PS2.
Small PS2. Another Atari system.
Let's see, there's
Another one down there.
Yeah, they're all the older ones.
so we got
CX2600, CX2600. So we are loaded up with those.
or this one might be the light, and then that one down there might be the light. No, yeah, they're all right. They're all, they look like they're all heavies. Heavy sixers, that's pretty cool.
Oh, they're different. This one's wider.
Yeah, this one, that's I think that one's that's the light six. This is the heavy six.
And that's a light 6 down there.
Holy smoke, this one's so massive. Right there, look at that. Boom.
Oh,
PS3.
the piano black one. Is it a 60 gig on the bottom? Then it can play all the PlayStations, PlayStation 1 and 2 and 3.
What are you looking for?
Oh, here. Let me see. The flip here? No.
Look at that.
Sorry, I know.
another
It's,
64.
ooh, the Toys R Us limited edition 64.
What's in this bag? Looks like a 360.
No. Yep.
Xbox 360, and looks like we got all kind of stuff down there for
Looks
it.
like a 360 controller, Connect.
Looks like a headset, a remote.
DVD remote. I mean, we gotta see if the gold or whatever it is, platinum controller's in there. I'd hope so.
Toys R Us special limited edition.
There it is.
Boom.
It's actually a pretty hard variant to find.
Well, I'm sure it's worth some money, and the rest of it is in there. Looks like it's complete.
I'd say it's uncommon.
I like it. Looks like we got a PS2 in the box.
Oh, Gray Slim.
The Gray Slim version. Like I told you, people probably have every system out here.
The Wii's.
There's a Wii.
PS3.
A
Another Super Nintendo.
I see a light gun.
Yeah, Zapper.
Bunch of stuff in there. We'll have to go through and untangle this mess. Donkey Kong Country book.
That's pretty sweet.
So we got all that good stuff in there. See the gold controller.
I did. He said he had it.
This coat.
I was just thinking of like the 64s, I never really see that often. That's a harder variant.
The other side has the wheels on it. Oh, this is how you keep strong in this business. Or get a honey. Well, Nintendo. This one's pretty dirty. Let's clean up.
Yeah.
No. We got the GameCube,
Dude, the best system ever, a VTOC.
the VTech, yeah.
Another GameCube.
Another GameCube.
It's like Japan used style where it's wrapped in a bag, but way more dirty.
Xbox original.
The good Wii that has GameCube on it.
Another Wii. Xbox.
The arcade stick. I don't really see those. There's like a Nerf gun maybe. PS2s. Electronics.
Look at that. Talk about vintage.
I've never really seen that Pong console before.
Me neither.
Now that I think about it. I've seen hundreds of Pong consoles,
The
but
remote comes out.
and it's kind of cool that it has sliders instead of a paddle. Connecting the box.
Different charging ports, car adapters,
And then controllers.
what is this?
What's that box thing over there?
What's the camera?
Who knows? Randomness.
A lot of randomness.
I already know what Rob's pulling out of that case over there. Another Atari. But it looks nicer. It's in a box. And a joystick in the box. Joystick controllers. One pair. Paddles. Then, what is this? A power?
Controllers.
Another controller. That's pretty sweet.
Oh man.
Oh. Some classics in the box. Atari has some of the best art though. Just 'cause it's straight up painting.
That's cool.
Some they did away with after like Super Nintendo. I mean, Space Invaders doesn't look like that. But
Oh, well, that's a good one.
Fish and Derby, that's a fun two-player game. It's a manual.
Nice.
Activision, they were the best on Atari.
Wow. And that's just a taste of all the stuff that we got. We got more stuff than this. Tons and tons and tons of games, systems, and more. So don't forget to subscribe, go online, and bid away, secondsense.com.